Hello, we the traveler community. Today, we have brought you a video on how to apply for an Azerbaijan e-visa. So, let's begin. To apply for your Azerbaijan e-visa, go to the official website. You can find the link to the website in the description. On this official website, you can find all the information required for applying for an Azerbaijan e-visa. 3 important points to applying for Azerbaijan e-visa are filling applications, making payments, and downloading your e-visa. You can read through the general information on the home page. You can go through the FAQs for any queries regarding the visa process. Anyhow, we will cover the important topics in this video. You can also contact the Azerbaijan e-visa center if you face any issues. Now, to apply for the e-visa, you have 2 types of e-visa. The first is a standard e-visa, which takes around 3 days to process. And the second one is an urgent e-visa, which takes around 3 hours to process. You can find 2 options on top of the home page: single entry visa and urgent e-visa. You can click either of them as both take you to the same application page. Let us click single entry visa. Fill in your nationality and passport details. This will be a single entry e-visa. Enter the verification code and click Continue. Fill the purpose of visitors and tourism. Next, you get an option for a standard e-visa, which gets processed within 3 days, and another one, urgent e-visa, which gets processed within 3 hours. You can select according to your requirements. We will be selecting the standard one for this video. Select the start date of your e-visa validity. You can select the day you will arrive, or you can give an approximate date of arrival. Your visa will be valid for 90 days, and you can stay up to 30 days in Azerbaijan. Scroll down and you can see the e-visa fees. This is different for the standard e-visa and the urgent e-visa. Standard e-visa costs you around $25 US, whereas an urgent e-visa will cost you $60 US, which is $35 US costlier than the standard e-visa. Click Continue. You can go through the terms and conditions and accept them to continue. You will get a pop-up with 2 options. The first is an important notice of frequently made mistakes, and the second one, example of a copy of a travel document. You can click and go through this information for more details. Click OK to proceed. Fill in your personal information. This should be a simple one. You can go through the video on what needs to be filled. Drop a comment if you need help filling in the information. You will also need to provide your accommodation address in Azerbaijan and a copy of your passport. Once all the details are filled, click on Complete Application. Verify all the details once again before you proceed. A mail will be sent to your email ID with the next steps to proceed. Open your email. You will find the details about your visa application along with the registration number. Scroll down the email and click on Approve. Your email will be verified and you will be redirected to the next step on your visa application, which is payment. You get 2 options to make the payment. The first one is using a card from your country, and the second one is using a card from Azerbaijan. We will be clicking on the first option to proceed with payment. Complete the payment and your visa application will be submitted. You will receive an email for the same. Based on the type of visa you have selected, the visa will be processed. You can also complete your incomplete payment and download your e-visa using your registration number from the website homepage. I hope I was able to give you good insights about how to apply for an Azerbaijan e-visa. You can reach out or comment on the video for more information. Happy traveling, and please subscribe to We the Travelers and help us create more content for travelers like you around the world.